Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to simplify this expression using PEMDAS. Now we have this 6 minus 6 multiplied by 6 minus 6. Here, many people will start the simplification of this using this order of operation. Now they will have 6 minus 6, that gives 0, multiplied by 6 minus 6. Then at this point they'll have 0 multiplied by, here again, 6 minus 6, that will give 0. And lastly, 0 times 0, that will give 0. But this very answer is wrong. Therefore, this first solution here is completely wrong. Don't make this mistake in simplifying any kind of algebraic expression of this nature. Now, to simplify this correctly, we are going to have this 6 minus 6 multiplied by 6 minus 6. Here we are going to follow this order of operation called PEMDAS. Or here we can also use BIDMAS or BODMAS. Any of these order of operation will give you the same answer if you apply them correctly. Now, following this order, here we have parentheses, but there's no parentheses here. We have exponents, no exponents. We have multiplication. We don't have division here, and we don't have addition, but we have subtraction right here. Now, in following this order, we are going to first of all consider multiplication, because multiplication is of higher priority than the subtraction here. But as such, we are going to have this 6 minus 6 times 6, that will give us 36 minus 6. Then now right here, we can take the subtraction in either way. We can have a 6 minus 36, or we can also do it this way, minus 36 minus 6, both to give us the correct answer. Now at this point, let us consider this 6 minus 36, that to give us minus 30, then minus 6. And right here now, we are going to have minus 30 minus 6, that to give us minus 36, and we have here minus 36. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Now, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you've already done that, thank you so much. And ensure that you stay tuned for more interesting videos from this channel. See you in the next video.